Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen. Amma ba'du fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we are going to discuss lesson number 8, which is about vertical harakat. Let's start our lesson. So first question is, what are called vertical harakat? What is meant by the word vertical harakat? Vertical fatha, khada zabar, vertical kasra, khada zir, and inverted dhamma, ulta pesh are called vertical harakat. For example, vertical zabar, vertical zir, and ulta pesh, inverted pesh are called harakat. Khada zabar and ulta pesh are placed above the letter, and khada zir is placed below the letter. Next question is, how are the vertical harakat pronounced? Vertical harakat are the same as the letters of madda. We have learned in previous lessons about madda letters, as we have read that madda letters are pronounced by stretching them up to 1 second. Similarly, vertical harakat will be pronounced by stretching them equal to 1 alif, 1 second. Okay, vertical harakat will also be pronounced by stretching them equal to 1 second. So pronounce vertical harakat by stretching them up to 1 alif, up to 2 harakat, or you can say up to 1 second, like the letters of madda. And remember one thing, in this lesson, differentiate clearly between the letters that sound somewhat similar, as we have learned in lesson number 4 about Kribus South letters, or you can say similar sound letters that are 16 in number. For example, ta, to, za, zal, and wa, dal, dod, tha, sin, and sod, kaf, qaf, ha, ha, hamza, and ain. These are 16 similar sound letters. So make clear difference between similar sound letters. Let's start application of these rules. Repeat after me and listen to me carefully. Ta, khada zabar ta, ta, khada zer ti, ta, ulta pesh tu, ta, ti, tu, to, khada zabar to, to, khada zer tui, to, ulta pesh pu, to, tui, tu. To is from Mustalia letters, so it will be pronounced in a thick tone. Okay. Now, zal, za, and wa. These are also similar sound letters, so make clear difference between sounds of these three letters. Za is from Safiria letters, as we have learned in lesson number 1, but zal is not from Safiria letters, and wa is from Mustalia letters. So za will be pronounced with whistle, and zal will be pronounced without whistle, and wa will be pronounced without whistle but in a thick tone. Okay. Za, khada zabar za, za, khada zer zi, za, ulta pesh zu, za, zi, zu. By stretching them equal to 1 second. Lal, khada zabar la, lal, khada zer zi, zal, ulta pesh zu, za, zi, zu. Ra, khada zabar ra, ra, khada zer ri, ra, ulta pesh ru, ra, ri, ru. Dad, khada zabar da, dad, khada zer di, dad, ulta pesh du, da, di, du. Sa, khada zabar sa, sa, khada zer si, sa, ulta pesh su, sa, si, su. Sin, khada zabar sa, sin, खड़ा जेर सी, सीन उल्टा पेश सू, सा, सी, su. This is not from superior letters, but sin and swad both are from superior letters. So sa will be pronounced without whistle, but sin and swad will be pronounced with whistle. Then what is difference between sin and swad? Sin is actually from superior letters, but is not from mustalia letters. So sin will be pronounced with whistle, but in thin tone. Okay, but swad will be pronounced with whistle as well as with in a thick tone. Okay, sa, sa, and swa in this way. Swad, khada zabar swa, swad, khada zir swi, swad, ulta pesh su, swa, swi, su, kaf, khada zabar ka, kaf, khada zir ki, kaf, ulta pesh ku, ka, ki, ku, qaf, खड़ा ज़बर क़ा, क़ाफ खड़ा ज़ेर क़ी, क़ाफ उल्टा पेश क़ू, क़ा, क़ी, क़ू. Kaf is pronounced in thin tone and qaf is pronounced in thick tone. Okay. Ha खड़ा ज़बर ha, ha खड़ा ज़ेर ही, ha उल्टा पेश who, ha, he, who. Ha is pronounced from bottom part of throat. Ha, khada zabar ha, ha, khada zir he, ha, ulta pesh hu, ha, he, hu. This is ha and this is ha. This is pronounced from bottom part of throat and this is pronounced from middle part of throat. Next letter is Hamza. Hamza can also be written in this way as well as in this way. So these are two forms of Hamza. You can pronounce this symbol as Hamza as well as this symbol as Hamza. So Hamza, khada zabar a, Hamza, khada zer e, Hamza, ulta pesh u, a, e, u. Similarly, Hamza, khada zabar a, Hamza, khada zer e, Hamza, ulta pesh u, a, e, u. Make clear difference between sound of Hamza and sound of a, sound of ain. This is a and this is a. Okay, ain खड़ा ज़बर आ, आइन खड़ा ज़ेर ई, आइन उल्टा पेश ऊ, आ, ई, ऊ. दाल खड़ा ज़बर दा, दाल खड़ा ज़ेर दी, दाल उल्टा पेश दू, दा, दी, दू. Make clear difference between sound of dal and dod. This is da and this is da. This is not from mustalia letters. Okay, this will be pronounced in thin tone and this dod will be pronounced in thick tone. Kha khada zabar kha, kha khada zir khi, kha ulta pesh khu, खा, खी, खो. गैन खड़ा ज़बर गा, गैन खड़ा ज़ेर गी, गैन उल्टा पेश गू, गा, गी, गू. बा खड़ा ज़बर बा, बा खड़ा ज़ेर बी, बा उल्टा पेश बू, बा, बी, बू. मीम खड़ा ज़बर मा, मीम खड़ा ज़ेर मी, मीम उल्टा पेश मू, ma, me, mu. Don't take your sound into nose while pronouncing this letter, okay? Wow, खड़ा ज़बर वाह, वाव, खड़ा ज़ेर वे, वाव, उल्टा पेश वो, वाह, वे, वो. Wow is pronounced by rounding your lips, okay? Fa, खड़ा ज़बर फा, फा, खड़ा ज़ेर फे, फा, उल्टा पेश फू, फा, फे, फू. लाम, खड़ा ज़बर ला, लाम, खड़ा ज़ेर ली, लाम, उल्टा पेश लू, ला, ली, लू. नून, खड़ा ज़बर ना, नून, खड़ा ज़ेर नी, नून, उल्टा पेश नू, ना, नी, नू. Don't take your sound into nose while pronouncing noon and lam, okay? Don't pronounce like noon in this way and lam in this way. Ra, खड़ा ज़बर ra, ra, खड़ा ज़ेर रे, ra, उल्टा पेश रू, ra, रे, रू. जीम, खड़ा ज़बर जा, जीम, खड़ा ज़ेर जी, जीम, उल्टा पेश जू, जा, जी, जू. शीन, खड़ा ज़बर शाह, शीन, खड़ा ज़ेर शी, शीन, उल्टा पेश शू, शा, शी, शू. या, खड़ा ज़बर या, या, खड़ा ज़ेर ये, या, उल्टा पेश यू, या, ये, यू. Alhamdulillah, this lesson has been completed. In next lesson, we will learn about lean letters. What are they and how lean letters are pronounced. Remember me in your prayers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Like, subscribe and share with friends so that they start their Quranic journey too. Jazakallahu khaira.